Good morning. Okay, good. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, we're going to pass in this way because I'm going to prove something. Yeah, that is related to my bike. Yeah, if you remember before, I have my pot tire electric bike, and that was really amazing. It's really good, and yeah, really good for even for going uphill. Oh, look at this thing, a kayak. Yeah, one of my colleagues is living in this area, somewhere here. I just don't know which one. I just want to prove that this electric bike that I am using can go up to this mountain, to this uphill, because you know my old pot tire e-bike before can't go uphill in here. I hope this one can go. Okay, not this one, but where is that? Actually, we're going to go and then we check. Maybe it's on the other side. For sure, this one is really easy. I can go up there. Yeah, it's in this side. At the moment, I have my battery pulley bar, so we will try. Yeah, that's actually the one that I am telling you that my other electric bike, the old electric bike that I have, can't really go uphill. I stop on the middle. We try with this one. I'm going to set it to 531, yeah, maybe 3, and then turbo, and then we go. Last time my old one, my other bike, can't really go up here. I stop in the middle. Amazing, I made it. And look at that, how beautiful is that? Nice. You can really see the very beautiful view. The water looks like just plain and not moving. Wow, nice. And there are some people, if you can see them, they are relaxing in their terrace. Okay, we keep on. Oh, yeah, we keep on going that side, because if you can see, this is another uphill. Just going to stop here and have a look, and this is how it is. Beautiful. Look at that. If you are here in person, you'll be amazed. The people living in these houses, they really get this to see the nice view. Okay, that's it. We're going home now. Good. Isn't it amazing? That's really high, very steep, but I was able to get. Okay, so we are now here in my usual way. So as most of my viewers knows that I'm just using this electric bike as my daily transportation. Yeah, going to work, coming back home, roaming around the city, roaming around this place. And I actually use this electric bike to travel from here, from Nelson Bay, all the way to Gold Coast, which is around 500 kilometers. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, that's what this bike did for me. So this electric bike is really a big help for me. I can save, and I can also help the environment. Good morning. Yeah, I don't consume emission, and which is good for the environment. Also, I don't use petrol, so I save money. All I need to do is just plug it in to recharge the battery, and will be working very good. Good morning. I actually charged this electric bike for around 6 hours, and then the battery lasts for around 7 to 10 days. It depends how I use it, but yeah, on my daily routine, like going home, coming to work, and roaming around the area, it lasts to, yeah, like what I've said, 7 to 10 days. This electric bike can actually reach really far. It depends on how you use it, because it has a different mode. Using the turbo mode, you can reach up to 50 kilometers, and then there is economy modes, which can reach up to 100 kilometers. Yeah, so it's always vary. It depends on the roads. Maybe the roads is going uphill like that, so it's going to be less. Yeah. Okay, I'm mistake. We're not going there anymore. We're going home now. So we're going to use this uphill. So every night when I'm going home, I always take this uphill. Yeah, every night, 5 days. And then there is another one here. Yeah, this is the other one here. This is not very steep compared to the other one, the challenge that I did a while ago. That one is really steep. And when I was in the Philippines, I always used the public transportation to go to work. I always travel with a jeepney. Yeah, coming from Cainta Rizal, going to SM Mega Mall. I always give 3 hours allowance because there is a heavy traffic along the way. Yeah, so we work like 8 hours plus another 5 hours for the daily commute. Yeah, a lot of hours is being wasted because of the traffic. Yeah, not good. There is also a time that I was just walking to get to work because I moved to an apartment that is actually a big space, a shared room that is near to my workplace. And then when I moved to Dubai, we have free transportation. The company provide us transportation. It's actually a bus or a van, that bring us to work and bring us back to our accommodation, which is really good. Yeah, very comfortable, relaxed, and we don't care if we get late because it's a company bus. And then when I moved to Sydney, in Sydney I was working there, and I was just walking to get to work. Sometimes I am taking the bus, but mostly I am just walking. Yeah, because I like walking. I enjoy the place. Sydney is a walkable city, a lot of greens, a lot of beautiful thing to see while walking in there. Look at that house uphill there. Sometimes there are times that I am taking the bus, but that's basically when I'm really tired. But mostly I was just walking. And then when I moved here in Port Stephen, yeah, I cannot rely on the buses or in the public transportation to get to work because they are every hour. There is a taxi, but taxi is expensive. From my apartment to my workplace, it costs $15. So $30 every day is not good. That's why I decided to buy a bike. On my first few months here, I was using ordinary bike, but because this place has a lot of hills, so that's why I bought this electric bike. This is actually my third electric bike. My first electric bike is the pot tire electric bike, which is also really good, but it was broken now. It lasts only for 2 years. Yeah, I am very satisfied with that. And then I bought a new one, which I just used for around 2 months, and then I sold it because yeah, I don't really like the tire. It is really small and not usable for me because I sometimes go to the bush and bike there. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we just got down here because I was editing this video and then I realized that there is something missing. Yeah, I didn't even show you how this bike look like, so I'm going to show you something about this. If you can see those group of people, they are a group of Filipino. I'm shy to greet them because yeah, they are chatting. And that guy fishing is Shannon, one of the guys that I know that I always see around here. Yeah. Yeah, so basically this is my bike. This is a Bosch. Yeah, it's actually powered by Bosch Active Line Plus, and the brand is Cube. The model is Cube Acid 1/400. Yeah, I made it personalized for me, the way I use it. I put this basket where I can put some groceries or things like this, gloves, my camera, my phone, Yeah, I also put this. Yeah, this is for, I usually put here the tripod because I always have tripod to make video, and because I am sometimes going home at night or going to work really early in the morning and it's still dark, so I have lights here. Yeah, also in the back because for safety we must have something like this. Yeah, so that's my electric bike. Yeah, there are many kinds of electric bike. Actually, this one is I would say this is the good one because this is already my third electric bike. Yeah, there are different kinds of motors. Some motors are here. The previous one that I have it here. And then the second one that I have, also the same, the hub motor. And I would say that the one with the motor in here is the best one. And do you know that you can actually build your own electric bike? I mean, there are different motors that you can buy online. Yeah, you can buy the motor that you can put in here in the middle, or you can buy the motor that is like the whole set of wheel with the motor. And yeah, you can just attach all the things that you need. If you check online, I will actually put down below the link for those electric bike kit, so that you can build your own electric bike. Because if you do that, if you build your own electric bike, you can save a lot. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. And yeah, that's all for today, and thank you for watching guys. Ciao.